Outside temperature 9.8, inside 18.8 Celsius. Good morning, you beautiful people. It's unbelievable how the weather can change just in 1 week. I mean, last week it was minus 15 and now 9 degrees. I have had the last 24 hours or 26 hours, whatever, I have had a huge headache, and that's because of the weather. Here in Switzerland the weather can change like this, and there is many people who are having lots of problems because of that. Migraines, headaches, joint pain, other kind of pain. And usually I don't react, but this time I was reacting really strongly. The culprit for that is the warm wind from Sahara. It's called föhn, and yeah, that's causing problems and selling lots of painkillers. Welcome to this episode of Hiking Viking. This is about van life, and we are waking up and showing you how this day will be for us here in beautiful Switzerland. Guys, just chilling at the van. Watching Sharing the Wilds. Yeah, we also watch YouTube when we are in the van. I mean, YouTube is better than normal television, because here is lots of more cool stuff. People.
It's so quiet.
What is it quiet?
Hard wind here.
Hard wind.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. It started to wind that crazy that we are evacuating ourselves.
Yeah.
We are getting the out of here, because we would like to find a place where it would be a little bit more sunshine, a little bit less headache for me, and less wind, which is shaking the van all around the place. So let's go to find out if we can find a place like that. Well, maybe not in this valley, but somewhere else. So we were just driving by and we saw a really cool looking place, some kind of gorge, so we're checking it out. It's like a small island in the middle of river. It's pretty awesome. The river is roaring down there and we are here next to it and trying to look that no trees are falling on us. Luckily this place is a little bit protected by the wind. True van lifer walks only on Crocs. Like we start to do something, we start to film something, and then we stop filming, and then we drive somewhere, and then we forgot the video totally. So here we are again. We came to this spot here. It's actually a cable car station. And it's not driving at the moment, but yeah, there was a free spot and we were driving in. The sun is shining here, like you can see. Maybe from there. And we are having lunch. I would say lunch. Brunch? What would you say?
Brunch.
But brunch is between breakfast and lunch.
Mm-hmm.
This is 1 o'clock. So let's be honest and say it's for lunch.
Okay.
We will do a van tour someday later when we are ready with the van build. So I'm not going to show lots of things, but here we cook. I was just cutting some bread, and here's our gas propane cooker stove, and yeah, this is our pull-out bed, but more from that in the van tour video, which is probably happening 2021 August, I would say. El Chepo. We have eaten, and after eating we saw that the sun is gone, so we're chasing the sun, going to the next valley. Like you saw earlier, the road here is pretty interesting. Let's hope that no one comes on the same small road against us, so we can go down to the valley and see how the situation down there is. We came down from the mountain and down in the valley. It's 16 degrees. Can you imagine? 1 week ago it was minus 15 Celsius and now it's 16 and a half. This is crazy. This is Switzerland and this is the weather here. Föhn. Oh my god. It's such a crazy wind, but we found an absolutely stunning spot. Look at this. Look at this. The sun just went behind those mountains in front of us, and we have been enjoying this beautiful day. Windy day, sunny day, warm day, but a beautiful day here in Switzerland by the Vierwaldstätter See. I guess we say thank you for watching, and we were happy to give you just a small glimpse of this van life, how it can be here in Switzerland, just like a totally normal day, nothing special. And we hope you can join us again for the next time when the Hiking Viking goes on tour. A beautiful girlfriend saying something?
Goodbye.
You want to say goodbye? Yeah, she says goodbye. And I'm saying too. If you like the video, please subscribe and put the thumbs up if you like it even more. So until next time, ciao! There's something in the darkness. I'm going to do the summit. Nice sunny weather up here.